Hello, I'm Forina. Very glad to show you our factory. I'm at the gate of the factory now. Let's see more together with the camera. Our company was established in 2001, over 20 years experience. It's the birthplace of China's first high-speed pipe production line. The whole plant covers 35,000 square meters, and we have 102 employees, including 15 professional engineers. Okay, what makes KAIDE brand different? How we control our machine quality? Today, we will let you know. Our route today is first processing workshop. There, we will let you know how the machine parts are manufactured. Then, final assembly workshop. In this way, you can fully understand the manufacturing in details, such as raw material choosing, manufacturing machinery use, and quality control management. Okay, let's go. Now we are in processing workshop. There's a Chinese saying, to do a good job, one must sharpen his tools first. Let's see what kind of sharpen tools we have. Our CNC machining centers include Akuma brand and Takiso brand from Japan, and vertical machining centers and gantry machining centers of Gaofu, each brand from Taiwan. Our machinery, no matter mechanical structure or intelligent automation technology, is always in the leading position in China. So, All our compounds are designed and processed by ourselves. The parts raw materials are firstly analyzed by technical data and then selected according to its application and requirements. After that, we will carry out the processing. Each processed part will be inspected to ensure that all parts transferred to the next process are 100% qualified. In the subsequent assembly process, after each process is completed, specially assigned person is responsible for the quality inspection, and each result is well recorded and kept to ensure the traceability of each product. On the other hand, before each equipment delivered, test running will be carried out to guarantee that the machine delivered to customers are stable and reliable. Just now, we have seen the processing workshop. Now, we are in our assembly workshop. First, let's show you the complete production line. First of all, let's take a look at the extruder. All screws are independently developed and designed by KAIDE technical team. Why can our pipe production line achieve high speed, meanwhile keep stable and also energy saving? Firstly, we are using unique 5-section type screw. That means, based on original 4 sections, a spiral barrier type mixing section is ended. This structure effectively stabilizes the extrusion pressure, enhances the mixing and kneading effect of the melts in extruder, and reduces the screw shear heat. Not only improves the plasticizing quality, but also save power consumption. Presently, our high-speed extrusion technology can achieve energy consumption per ton less than or equal to 300 kWh, while for similar machine, their average level is 450 to 550 kWh. Please take a look at the outer surface of the barrel. Do you know what role these spiral grooves play? This is the spiral channel for cooling air. In order to obtain stable melt pressure and matching flow rate, the melt temperature control must be very stable and precise. Therefore, we designed these spiral groove channels to pursue a better heat dissipation effect. What's more, the cooling fans we use are all powerful turbofans. The air volume and air pressure are more than 2 times larger than the ordinary cooling fans. Motor and gear reducer are all well-known brands which have cooperated for more than 10 years. Siemens' programmable PLC control system is used with stick control and closed-loop control, and also have a remote control function. The screen can be English, Russian, and other language to display the heating temperature, melt pressure, current, traction speed, alarming, maintenance reminder, and so on. Here, I would like to introduce more about the remote control function. With the remote control, we can check the machine operation parameters, fault alarm, diagnosis of fault causes, and then provide solutions, help customers solve problems. You only need to prepare such a cable to connect the remote module with the local network router. No matter where you are, as long as there is a network, you can enjoy this instant service. Next, let's introduce the pipe die head. Different type die head is designed as per what kind of pipe produced, like pressure storage spiral type die head for PPR, PE, PP pipes, spiral splitting die head for PA, ABS pipes, and cross-linked reaction die head designed for PX pipes. This is the spiral type die head with pressure storage. It's independently developed and designed by ourselves. The die head can effectively reduce the extrusion pressure pulsation and provide a fundamental guarantee for the stability of melt pressure while high-speed production. This is a 3-layer adjustable co-extrusion die head. 3-layer wall thickness can be flexible adjusted, and ideal wall thickness of each layer can be quickly obtained without adjusting the extruder speed. It's mainly used for glass fiber PPR pipe, 3-layer PE pipe, and PP soundproof pipe. This is another 3-layer spiral co-extrusion die head for EVOH oxygen barrier pipe making. In 2003, we took the lead in reaching and manufacturing China's first EVOH oxygen barrier pipeline. This die head has also experienced several major design changes, from the initial 2-step extrusion to 1-step extrusion, and the line speed from the initial 8 meters per minute to the current 30 meters per minute. The concept of the speed is that we have reached or even exceeded the speed of most European machines. This is a special die head for 5-layer EVOH oxygen barrier pipe making, which is co-extruded by 4 or 5 extruders. The production speed of this 5-layer oxygen barrier pipe has also experienced several speed upgrading, from the initial 8 meters per minute, 15 meters per minute, and 35 meters per minute, then to 60 meters per minute, or much more higher speed now. For example, LDPE oxygen barrier pipe and PA nylon oxygen barrier pipe, the line speed has even up to 120 meters per minute. Okay, next, I will introduce you the vacuum tank. It's also one of the most important parts to ensure the high speed and stable extrusion of pipes. The vacuum tank is made of SUS 304 stainless steel. There are 3 processes must be done before finishing coating. First, grinding and polishing, and then spraying epoxy zinc-rich primer. The purpose of this process is not to prevent rust, but to prevent top coating from falling off, because this kind of primer has a very good absorption. However, in order to save cost, this special primer is cancelled by manufacturers. You may find that some vacuum tank and water tanks will have top coating falling off problems only after a very short time of using, which seriously affects the appearance of equipment. After years of technical innovation, our vacuum tanks have been divided into different types and designs, such as combined water spring and immersion cooling type, turbulent water immersion cooling type, full water immersion cooling type, and spraying type. After cooling tank is tractor. The tractors used in our high-speed pipe production line are basically multi-group roller type belt tractors. This kind of tractor adopts the structure of free-hanging type tension rollers. Its advantages are the clamping force on the pipe can be automatically adjusted by the free-hanging tension rollers, so as to avoid elliptical deformation due to uneven stress. Driven by Siemens servo motor, it can run smoothly and synchronously control with the extruder. It can respond to screw speed fastly. It can not only meet the high-speed production of small diameter, but also meet the stable traction of larger diameter. In order to adapt to different production speed and different pipe diameter, our cutting machine has a high-speed blade cutting machine, combined type cutting machine, dustless shawl cutting machine. And now, we develop a new type of cutting machine with high precision cutting. It can meet the cutting accuracy of 1 mm only when producing 4 or 6 meters string pipes. Finally, the pipe coiler. There are ordinary coiler, automatic coiler, full automatic coiler, and larger diameter pipe coiler. This is our best-selling pipe coiler. It has servo type traversing system, PLC controlled, and have automatic brake, auto stop while pipe end, and so on. And with auto tension controller, which can adjust cooling speed automatically. The pipe coils are arranged in good order and looks nice. This is an automatic coiler, which was first successfully developed in 2011. Besides the servo traversing system and PLC intelligent control, it can also realize a series of intelligent operations, such as automatic pipe accumulating, automatic coil cutting, and new coil changing, automatic brake, and so on. This center of pipe accumulating device is used to accumulate the pipes while changing new coil, avoiding the pipe being harmed when disorderly gathered on the ground. At the same time, it will automatically control the coiling speed according to the number of stored pipe to realize the synchronization of coiling speed and the line production speed. This is a full automatic coiler. In addition to all the functions mentioned above, the most important thing is to realize more intelligent operations such as automatic strapping, automatic unloading. Okay, it's real me and real KAIDE. Hope this introduction can give you a deeper understanding about our company. During these 20 years, we are keeping to improve and upgrade. When more and more competitors are outsourcing and transferring more production processes to other smaller factories to maximize their profits, we are keeping to choose processing more parts by ourselves for strictly controlled quality, because we deeply understand the importance of machine quality to customers. We hope that you not just choose a supplier, but a long-term cooperating partner.
Welcome to KAIDE.